Hello everyone and welcome back to our kind of special episode we're doing here. It's the helicopter event and I'm doing to capture it all, I'm doing a little part 2 of it. You hear it going on. We're carrying our shotgun just in case. Actually we need the weight. So we really hurt ourselves carrying a bunch of stuff. So we still have a bunch of tools to grab. And we need to just take this bag and I guess dump it in here. Yeah, I want to show you guys this because it's part of the game. Like, the helicopter event is a really big part. It's like, especially for first timers coming to it, it's like pretty scary. You don't know what's going on and all the undead are just like out here. So this should be enough. Try the door locks off. Oh, ooh, lawn flamingos. We haven't searched that house yet. Maybe we'll be able to search these houses. What we're gonna do is go back the same way because zombies are gonna have followed us that way anyways. Or they're just following the helicopter too. Ooh, that's a sharp turn. Can't wait till they round out more of these corners. Hello, sir. Oh, or ma'am, I think it was. I literally want to be facing get the hell out of here direction. In the house. Grab it all. All of it. Broken glass, everything. Give me the gas cans. Yep. Fill me up. I want it. We don't need the carpentry 1 volume. Huh. Thought it'd be a little more hectic, but want that. We got maps. Mold draw map. That's a beer bottle. I'd like the radio. Anything in here? Eraser, don't need. Sheet, need. We need those for our house. Oh, almost completely forgot. Our medical. Was there anything else in here? Oh, that door was open. That's not good. Another sheet. We'll remove those curtains. And potatoes, chicken nuggies. We got a sausage. Let's grab these cleaning supplies. Grab those too. That won't be too much weight, right? Nah. We'll leave it in the car. We're thirsty. Out of water. So I mean, I guess the helicopter's passed. Oh, hi. Oh, you're crawling. Get in the car, start the car, drive the car. And grass in this thing. We don't have like a Humvee. I wonder if there is a Humvee. If there's like a military Humvee. That'd be really cool. I've seen like a sports car. Ooh! Oh, I should have hit him. Had a shotgun. That's loot right there. Come back for that. Unless they don't get back up and run away. Apparently that's the thing. We've seen it. So they're totally gonna follow us. How's our health? Not good. Anything in here I should know about? No. Anything in here I definitely want? Yeah. Zombies. Zombies. Everywhere. Everywhere undead. Add a sheet. Close it. Drop everything making us heavy. Let's drop these. Now it's time to organize. Yeah. Put everything where we want it to go. First, let's eat. Make sure sheets. Sheets on everything. I think it was that shed we couldn't get into. But we are sure hungry though. We're gonna eat. I guess we'll eat a pack of chips. See how that does us. Peckish. One tip for weight management in this game, besides calories and everything, just eat until you're peckish. We're hungry again. But we're on a weight gain, so we don't really want to be eating too much. No. Oh. I heard him. I hear them. And we're tired right now too. We don't want to be we don't want to be fighting them right now. We got sausage. Yeah, we got food we gotta put in the fridge. Yeah, this is looking like it's gonna be our new home. We should make a mark of the zombies up there by the school. There's a horde. There's a horde right here. This area is kind of dangerous. And they're probably gonna move this way following my vehicle. We have to keep in mind that the horde follows us, like with all the noise. Also, that means all the dudes up here probably migrated up here following that. It's probably really busy up here. I don't know yet. We're gonna have to find that out though. Now let's see here. All food. Let's just get food in here. Do we have any more refrigerables? No. What do we have in here? We need a tools area. House is big. What is this? Dirty rag? For now, we can leave the tools in here. Just a stock place for them. It's not what I really want. I'd prefer them upstairs. But it's a fine spot for them. Get those in. You will be seeing me use the fast forward a lot. That's like all medical stuff. What's on the ground? Or what's over here? Have a bunch of food and everything. Like, oh god. Gonna loot it all. Just get it all. What's our health like? Alright, so we're gonna put these water bottles in here. And then all this food We're gonna take all the food. Yes, the cockroaches are food. The maggots are also food. Take it all. Not the bandages. Put it in this cabinet. That lightens the load a little bit. Where that? Oh, is that the empty one? Oh, hold on. That's not our fanny pack. Yeah, that's our fanny pack. Alright, what else we got? Seeds, trowel, garbage bag, fanny pack. A dish towel. Put a torch in there, why not? What's in here? Try and do this kind of fast. All this goes in here. All this goes in there. Okay, looking better. That's all stuff that'll go upstairs with us. Alright, let's see, what else will go upstairs with us? This is all for downstairs. The med kit, the bleach. Okay, let's grab all the ammo. The shotgun. Oh. Is there anything in here ammo wise? Nah. And well, that's basically what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of this episode. We're gonna try and organize the ammo. Oh god, that's a big pile. Here. We got weapons. More ammo. So much ammo. We got this big old medicine room here. That's what this is gonna be. All that can just go right into there. Put even the thread and needles in there. And I've been Raw Potato. I hope you've enjoyed this kind of mini special, somewhat, if you could call it that, of the helicopter event. We're on day 8, 13th hour. Hope you've enjoyed. It's going to be a little bit of a mess in here in the meantime. Especially because we're going to be scrambling within the next 3 episodes are going to be looting. Because we have the generators. We can worry about gas once it gets closer to the power going out. We don't need to worry about that quite yet. So, we're fine in that regard. So, I hope you enjoyed. Have a good one. Bye-bye.